Alright, YouTube. Well, you guys been wondering what I'm up to. This is a project that was delayed for over a year, and I'm trying to wrap it up. This is my 1979 Chevrolet pickup truck. It is a little holey. Stripped out the interior. I already did a lot of floorboard work to it. I've got to repair the holes under the seat. I did work over there. I ran some wiring up here. I got a CB radio that goes up here and a dome light, and I stripped it a lot because I plan on painting the inside of this thing. Got a lot of holes to deal with down there. I don't know if they'll show up or not. There's my headers. I have soldered, silver soldered oxygen sensor bones onto them. Eventually I might put oxygen sensors on it. I rebuilt the power steering pump, new radiator, custom fan shroud bracket because I couldn't find what was supposed to be in there. This engine's been changed out twice. I don't know if you can read that or not. I don't think so. But it used to be a 4.1 liter inline-six. Now it's 350. New heater cord, new heater box, new hoses. The intention is to kind of paint it up similar to like an Oliver. I started working on that. This door is really bad shape. Got some used ones. Got really bad rust in here. So not sure what I'm going to do with that. So anyways, that's what I'm working on. There's my stacks. My lights for working at night. So they sat out behind the house for a long time. Some animal moved in and decided to eat my back of my seat insulation. So that's what I'm up to right now. That's what I'm working on. That's how they do right out.